Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy's Styles. Please check out the styles we have for you. We have those beautiful styles that are flattering and elegant. When going shorter, you should consider your hair type and your hair texture. Another thing to consider when it comes to going for short natural haircut is your face shape. Although there are many styles that goes well with no matter the face shapes you have, maybe whether your face is oval or is round or is long or is oblong, there are some hairstyles that goes well with any face shape. But most importantly, when you're considering going to short natural hairstyle, please consider your face shapes and even the frame shape of your glasses if you're the ones wearing glasses. Sometimes if you're confused, you can also ask a professional hairstylist to help choose a new haircut, or you can even check in my comment section below and ask some questions, because sometimes it will help to find the most flattering style that will match your request. Please don't be afraid to experiment with your hair length, because one thing we should have at the back of our mind is balance. That's just the secret behind the never fading beauty of your hair. So we have those modern short natural haircuts for women that are the finest, and it's a style that is empowering and most prominent styles for beautiful women that want something classy and sophisticated. So I would like you guys to please watch this video to the end. If it's your first time here in Wendy's Styles, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. And let us know your minds in the comment section below. I just want to appreciate my returning subscribers. I want to appreciate my new subscribers. God bless you guys and see you in my next upload. Bye.
Pia, papa, pia.